The number one product on our list is the Apple Series 7 smartwatch is easily one of your best options. It's similar to its predecessor in design, but offers upgraded features like a new feature called Family Setup. The watch face selection has also been expanded from 38 to 42 different choices, and there are now more watch band colors available as well. Sleep tracking has gotten a boost with a better algorithm that provides more accurate results and improved accuracy overall across all metrics tracked within the Health app on your iPhone or iPad. The S7 is water-resistant up to 165 feet, so you can wear it while swimming or while taking a shower. The Series 7 comes in aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium models with very affordable prices. Not too shabby when you consider how much tech they pack into that sleek frame. Well, there you have it, and thank you for watching. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for the next video.